Hi everybody, we're here for today's 1-minute question and answer on real estate. Today's question is when, if ever, should I waive inspection in this competitive market? We all know we're having to compete with other buyers who are waiving everything, inspection, financing, all kinds of stuff. So how and when should you consider waiving inspection? So here's how I approach it with my buyers. We look at it in a risk-reward assessment. What's the risk if there is a major system that is bad, a roof or a side sewer line, an electrical panel, one of the major components of the house? And how much would something like that cost to repair? Second, we look at the reward. Is this house one that even if those things were to be discovered to be in bad shape or need replacing, would we still want this house, given that those repairs would need to be made? And when you do the risk-reward assessment like that, it usually becomes pretty obvious whether or not you want to take that risk of waiving the inspection on any particular home.